You just finished a long drive with your RV and it is filthy. What are you gonna do? Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below and make sure to hit the notification bell. And if you're back for another one of our videos, we thank you for joining us. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to wash your RV without water. Now, we have done at least 2 videos regarding how we wash this RV, and I'm going to link the latest one right up over here, okay? But as everybody knows, when you're on the road, sometimes you don't have access to water. Either you're boondocking and you don't have water, or you're maybe at a campground and they don't allow you to wash your RV. And if you're driving, especially in the summer, and if you have a motorhome or a fifth wheel, the front of that thing can just get destroyed with dirt, bugs, droppings, etc. So we have used many times, it's a product, it's called Aire Cosmetics Wash and Wax. And now this product's been around for a long time. It was originally developed for the aerospace industry, planes. And I'm just going to read off the bottle here, okay? It's biodegradable, it's a wet or waterless wash. It is for aircraft, auto, marine, RV, and it also passes the following specs. Meets Boeing aircraft spec, exterior D6, whatever. I'm not going to read it all. I'll put it up on the video. And also meets British aerospace spec, Airbus, Ames, and there's some numbers after that. Okay, it's water-based, alcohol, ammonia-free. It is clear coat safe, and it is, most importantly, very easy to use. So it's going to come different sizes. We got the it's actually 144 ounces, so it comes with this and then a spray bottle and a bunch of microfiber towels. That is $37.95 on Amazon, and we'll link that below. But we have had this now for over 2 years and it works really well. So if you're doing a full wash wax with just a spray, about 30 cars, and if you're using it just as a wet wax, you can get about 50 cars. Now, we have done the motorhome probably twice completely, but we do use it as a quick detail spray, and it works excellent, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. All right, so I'm going to do the made for TV demonstration, okay? So I have some in this just generic spray bottle, okay? What's really cool about it, it has a nice smell to it, and you don't have to use a lot of this stuff. So there's 2 ways to use this, okay? We will use this if we wash our RV with the deionized water your classic way. I will spray this down. If there's some areas, I'll just spray it down and wipe, okay? If I want to use it as a wax. Or after everything dries and I want to go around the caps, I will just spray the caps, wipe it down, because this does leave a UV protectant, which is very important, especially up on that roof. Those caps get beaten by the sun. But I'm going to show you exactly how this works. We just washed this motorhome like 2 days ago. We got a lot of rain, we're getting a lot of pollen, and you can see on the bumper that there's just pollen and like watermarks, and it looks kind of gross. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. We're going to just do like a wash and wax with the spray. You're going to want 2 microfiber towels, okay? I have 1 to apply and agitate, 1 to wipe off, all right? Make sure they're clean, guys. So if you want to get here, MJ, you can see the dirt, right? I am just going to spray light mist. That was what, 4 or 5 squirts, okay? Now I am just going to come over, right? I'm going to wipe, all right? Turn it over, wipe the other way. Let me just get this over here, the overspray. And now I am just going to go with the clean microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. And guys, look how, you want to see how clean that, it took it right off.
Ooh, ah.
Yeah, so
Beautiful.
this works really well, guys. Bugs, unfortunately right now we don't have bugs on the front of our RV because we just washed it and scrubbed it down. But take my word for it, on the windshield and whatever, even if you don't carry a ladder, get like, if most campgrounds have like a bench, like a picnic table, put that picnic table in front, step on top of it, and you can just spray this and wipe it down with a microfiber towel, and it works really well, saves you a lot of time. And again, you could also use it if you wash the classic way. You can use it as just like a wet wax. You just spray and dry it. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I know the last videos we did, a lot of people were talking about the price of the DI water. This is definitely a lot less, and you can carry this anywhere with you. If you know anybody that's looking for an easy solution to wash their RV, feel free to share this video with them. Put in the comments below, what kind of system do you use to wash your RV? Myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.